In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch soccer games on the ESPN app, so you can enjoy live matches and highlights. Let's get started. To watch soccer games, download the ESPN app on your smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Log in with your TV provider credentials or an ESPN Plus subscription, as many soccer games require it. If prompted, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once logged in, go to the Live Sports section to find the schedule of ongoing or upcoming soccer matches, including leagues like the English Premier League, La Liga, or international tournaments. Select the game you want to watch and stream it directly. For smart TVs or devices like Roku or Fire Stick, ensure the ESPN app is installed and activated. Alternatively, cast the game from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and watch later in the Downloads section. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy soccer games on the ESPN app.